In this video, I will show you how to download and install ChatGPT for Windows. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Okay, so to download ChatGPT in your Windows, we need to go to the Microsoft Store. You can go to the website, or you can also download this from the Microsoft app. But now we'll use the website. I will leave the link in the description. And now here we need to click on download. As you can see, here we don't have the installer, so now this just open the installer. And let's click on install. Okay, so once the app just installed, as you can see, this will open by its own. So now we need to log in with our account. You can create an account, or you can log in with an account. Because I have already an account, I will go to login. As you can see, this will open the website, so you need to log into to ChatGPT. So you need to use an account with ChatGPT. So once we log in, as you can see, ChatGPT will ask to open the app. So we can click here, and this will open the app. You don't have that notification, you can also click here, and this will open the app. And as you can see, we now have ChatGPT with Windows. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching.